Hey guys, John here with Game Dev HQ. This quick intro vid is for the Learn to Program with C# series Advanced Unity tutorials. If you're new to C# and Unity, click the playlist on the screen to begin at our introduction series. If you're comfortable with the fundamentals of C# and looking to enter advanced territory, then you're in the right place. The content you'll find in this series is a bit dated in terms of when it was created, but the knowledge gained is very current. If you're looking to test your knowledge in C# and Unity, check out GameDevHQ.com, where you can find challenges that focus on helping you become a better developer. We have more in-depth knowledge on each subject inside of the Unity C# Survival Guide. You'll also find exclusive Unity how-tos only available at GameDevHQ.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.